Fun kiddie exercise, a 2-in-1 gift that challenges traditional scooting in a way that's more fun. The removable flip-out seat and foot pad allows your child to scoot sitting or standing up. Lightweight and portable, bring it to the playground or to a local park conveniently. This compact scooter is light enough to carry, fits in the trunk of a car, and fairly easy to store. Power glowing wheels, little ones are enamored by the LED light-up wheel technology. The flash of rainbow colors is both an exciting attraction to kids and a boost to safety and security. Adjustable easy grip handlebar, the handle height offers 3 adjustments. The lean-to-steer technology lets leaning, instead of turning, to control the ride, for better balance and coordination. Safe, sturdy and smooth, extra-wide deck to accommodate both feet. Equipped with 120mm, 80mm wheels, 2 at the front and 2 combined at the back, which glide smoothly even on bumpy surfaces. Top reviews from the United States. Love this. We have had ours for almost a year and my 4-year-old still rides it almost daily. We have accidentally left it in the weather a few times and so far there is still no visible rust. The wheels show wear burr, they are still in great shape and I am sure we will still get plenty of use out of it before needing to change them. The wheels still light up bright, I was sure they would stop working before now burr haven't. The overall appearance of this is still pretty much like new but my kid isn't too hard on it, we aren't like throwing it around but we have had a few falls and what not so normal wear doesn't ding it up too badly. Definitely worth the money, I can see us having this for several years.